Well, actually, that's a sentiment not only by the president but actually shared by all of us, no? Kasi it will also speak about the character of the respondent, no? It will only show that she is really seriously taking these allegations, no, facing these allegations with a clear, with a clear position that she is not guilty of any of these accusations. And the clearest message that she can send is to appear before the court. No? Klaro po yan, matagal na po nating sinasabi. And that would also reinforces her previous statements that she will answer in the proper forum, that she's actually welcoming the allegation in at the proper forum, and this is now the proper forum. No? Kung tatandaan po natin, siya mismo po ang dinescribe niya sa itong proseso na to. Pag dumating at humantong sa impeachment court o sa Senado, ay ang sabi niya, ready na po sila for bloodbath. So I guess that would also reinforces again her earlier position that she's ready. And the only, for me, and to all, many ordinary a clear message that would send to the public and to the Senate impeachment court is the presence of the respondent, the Vice President Sara. But again, reiterating also the position of Attorney J, that is entirely within the discretion of the options that she can actually discuss with her defense panel. Okay.